again. As I mentioned last video, I was gonna do a one-dimensional array example with the basic operations. And the basic operation I chose is swap. So we're gonna do swap. Remember, the swap was a change in between the arrays we've got. So it's swapping C. Perfect. So let's start as programming C. So remember, we wrote include stdoh int main. Here we could wrote the function we're gonna use. We could wrote sw, but I decided to do it with main so that we still keep the structure we got. Okay, so I'm gonna declare 3 arrays to do the swap. So I'll have int a, int b, and finally int c. Those are gonna be my variables. So remember what the swap did is that a variable equals a variable. That variable equals another variable. And finally, that variable equals a variable at the beginning. So yeah, I'm choosing these 3 variables. Finally, what I want to print f, the result, d, and d. And the numbers I want to print is a and b. And finally, the return 0 statement. Perfect. So let's compile this. And it's cool. It's okay. But as we do not have any numbers in the variables, we haven't declared a specific variable value, so it will print whatever the computer wants. So let's give them numbers. A, it's gonna be 1. B, it's gonna be 4. C, it's gonna be 7. Perfect. So then this little code here will have another sense. So let's do it. We compile it. It's okay, we run it. And here it is. We asked the computer to print A and B. And so it does. It printed A and B, but remember, because of the swap, the numbers are changed, to say it like that. So if we do it like this, for example, BA, we compile it. They're gonna move because the value that 8 had at the beginning, because of the swap here, it's changed. And the value that B had, it changed in here. Because we see that C is a variable that changes. So if C equals 1 when it's in here, it will equal A, so 1. 1 will equal 4, that's the change we have in here, that B is now 1 and A turns to be 4 because due to this condition. So that's why we have these numbers in here. We do the swap of numbers. Same thing happens in the arrays. But here we are declaring as if we have had declared a specific array to do the swap. Okay, so this is example of swapping. Thank you for watching.